Hey guys, the Radio Garage back on the bench. Got a brand new DX-98vhp by Galaxy on the bench today. Sent in. He wants it converted to 11 meters and tuned and aligned naturally. And let's see what she's doing out of the box. So just got it out, hooked it up. And as you can see, this is band E. That's what's going to be our CB band once we're done. And we're running 28555 before the conversion. We'll see what it's doing out of the box on the scope. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, not too bad there. Little undermodulated actually. And here's the I don't have my big slug in, but I put the 50 watt on 5X, so we'll be reading that top scale will be 250 watts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 4, 4, 5. So we're doing just under 150 watts according to that. See what happens if I pump the power up. Yeah, we're keying about 50 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 4. Yeah, just about 150 still. So turn that back to medium. Mic gain's all the way up. Look at it on the spectrum analyzer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's at, what band's that? 5 megahertz. So surprisingly clean, so we're happy about that. Take the span down to 2 megahertz. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not too bad. So after the conversion it may dirty up a little bit, so we'll check that out when we get there. And this is just a little preliminary test run. We're going to get busy here and we'll be back. Alright, and we're back with the DX-98vhp. All done. 11 meter conversion's been done. We are on band E is going to be your CB band. So there's that, 27205 channel 20. And we'll get right into it. We got mic gain all the way up. We're on AM. Alright, we're gonna show it to you on the scope. 30 microvolts, 1000 hertz tone. There's that, nice and clean. Okay, show it to you on sideband. There's the two-tone. Going to sideband, and then we'll flip her on. Nice two-tone there, beautiful. Okay, and let's go to some. We'll do some power checks. And I know you're going to be using a noise canceling mic, in a static 636. I got a Road King here. An old Telex Road King 56, similar to an static. So we'll just do. I'm going to use that for the testing. So here's what we got. We got the big slug in. We got the 250 watt slug in. Okay, and so we're going to be reading that top scale. And let's see what we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's sideband. I forgot we're still in sideband, so just under 150 AM. Try to get that clear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just over 150 for AM. This is not a 200 watt radio, 300 watt, nothing like that. As soon as you start turning the power up on these things, they just splatter like crazy. So I'm comfortable setting it here. That's where I like it. That's where I feel comfortable putting my name on it, is at these power levels. So if you want to get in there and turn it up to 200 watts, that's, you know, going to be up to you, but it's not going to do that leaving my bench. So that being said, let's see if we can get onto the receive, and we'll get to the spectrum analyzer as well. Actually, I could probably get to the spectrum analyzer right now, and then I'll come back and do the receive. That takes a second. I gotta get my generator turned on. Spectrum analyzer. Okay. Here's that. Span 5 megahertz. Gotta, let's see, center ourselves up here. Sorry guys, wasn't quite prepared. All right, there we go. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Do what? We'll even go down to. Oh, we're in the wrong one. We got to go to spans. 2 megahertz. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And 55. Show that second harmonic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now we will do the, we'll come back and we'll do the receiver. Okay, receiver, sinad test. Left column, about 12 dB there, jumping around a little bit, 1112, negative 108, not bad. Alright, and I'm going to show you S9, which I do at 73 dBm, which comes to 50 microvolts. Okay. There you go. S9, alright. So that's good. And we will alright, and we could show you a frequency check, and we'll do an over-the-air test. Okay, we're going to do a quick frequency check. Make sure she's all lined up. 27205. Key it up. Let's see what we get. 27250. So you guys know that's calibrated, that frequency counter. I showed you that with the 10 megahertz reference, my disciplined oscillator. So that's right on the money, and we'll let you hear it over the air. I got the monitor set to 22. Make sure mic gain's up. And let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got that nice modulation light that comes on. I'll do it with echo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And sideband. Alright, that on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, sounding really good on sideband too. Okay, I almost forgot. I put a switch on this for you, like you asked, so you could take the amp out of line. It's on the back here. It's a mini toggle switch. So, up is on, down is off, up, on, down, off. So if you forget that, refer back to this video. Then also you'll hear the the relay click for the amp. But I noticed something with the talkback on this. Do yourself a favor. If you're going to set the talkback, do it with the amp off, and I'll show you what I mean. So amp off, talkback, maybe at like what, a quarter? Okay, and I'll let you hear it. I have it hooked up to a little external cheapy speaker there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sounds good. Now, when you turn the amp on, listen. 1, 2, 3. It's way too overpowered. It sounds muddy and gargled. I found out if you do want to set your talkback or listen to your talkback with the amp on, which the talkback is really only supposed to be, you know, I think used to set your echo. Then after that, turn it off. If you turn this up more, it'll actually clear up. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know why it does that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's got a little bit of a squeal there, but yeah, it's all the audio. I mean, thing's pushing big audio, so for some reason though, it sounds better with the talkback turned up. And also, that's like a 5-watt speaker I have. If I hook it up to my 20-watt, it's not going to squeal at all, I'm sure. But like I said, just turn the amp off, so you're not getting that feedback through there and everything. And then you could set your talkback at whatever, set your echo. So echo's on, you know, say you want to pump the echo up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's that. Talkback, got your switch explained. I think that's going to be it. Appreciate everybody tuning in. Appreciate everybody who's been sending the radios in. Got about a 1 week turnaround right now on radios, so I know I got a couple coming up this week that I'm excited about. And Mr. Mike, this one's done. I'm going to be boxing it up for you. Thanks a lot for the business. Real straight shooter kind of guy you seem like, so I appreciate that. And enjoy Radio Garage. We're off the key.